Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, and the aim of this channel is to educate and entertain as we turn trading profits into plates. I've been going around YouTube videos and I've seen how hard it is for most people to find the daily buyers. Today, I want to show you how easily I do find my daily buyers and how I day trade. I'll show you my entries, exit, and everything that I do when I want to take a trade. So first of all, I'd like to educate you on how we select our time frames. For me, I do begin from 1 day daily time frame, scale down to the 4 hours, then to the 1 hour, and I take my entries in the 5 minutes, depending with the session. Right on our screen, we are in the daily time frame. This is Euro USD. I love trading the Euro USD because you can get entries during the London session because the euro is active during the London session, or probably get an entry during the New York session because of the dollar. Dollar is active during the New York session. So after you select your time frame, daily time frame, I'd want you to look at the previous day candle. How has it formed? What was the high and what was the low? Right? Then you ask yourself, what liquidity was taken, or did it rebalance price? For Thursday, 25th of January 2024, you can see that daily candle. We just took previous day low, and below here it formed equal lows. It formed an equal low with the low of Tuesday. All right. So for me, I'd want to see a Friday being a sell day. All right. This Friday, I myself would have wanted it to be a sell day as we target this previous daily low. The only way that I can validate that analysis is by going now to the 4-hour time frame. When you go to the 4-hour time frame, I need to show you something. From the 4-hour time frame, I do mark my levels depending on the previous day candle. I do highlight like this with a Gantt box. I do highlight to note or to mark my premium and my discount level. You would want to sell from a premium level. You would want to sell from a premium level. This level is a premium level, and you would want to buy from a discount level. I'd have marked this region as my point of interest for sales. In case price comes there, I would be looking for sell. That was on Friday. In case price came here, I will be looking for Friday sales. Okay. And in case of a buy, if price came and swept previous daily low, I would be interested in looking for buys. That's how easy it is to find your daily buyers. After marking your level in the 4 hours time frame, we go to the 1 hour time frame. And to the 1 hour time frame is now refining or validating our levels. You can see in the premium for the 1 hour, you have points of interest, like you can see this fair value gap over here. Let me show you. That is a fair value gap in that region. You can see. So price would want to come to the premium and rebalance such an FVG, which is aligned to our 4 hours order block. Okay. And from there now, that is where I'll be interested in taking my sales. And down here, if I see an entry confirmation, I'll take those longs targeting that region and probably now confirm if my sales would work. For that day on Friday, I need to show you what price did. My entry time frame is 5-minute time frame, or probably I can show you first in the 15-minute time frame what price did. I do have this indicator to highlight my sessions so you can see what price did. Price came and took out Asian lows and took out previous daily lows. All right. So from here in my entry time frame, that is 5 minutes, I would want to see something like this, taking liquidity. All right. Then an aggressive structure shift. Then price comes to rebalance, either to rebalance an FVG or to mitigate a breaker block or an order block. Then now we get our confirmation. After getting our confirmation, that is when I like to enter. I wouldn't want to enter here because what if price breaks? I want to enter after that confirmation happens. Then I can target now my region. Let me show you how the entry happened in the 5 minutes time frame. That is the London session. I want to show you what happened in the London session. Go down to the 5 minutes now, my entry time frame, and you can see after price took previous daily low, this red line here, let me put it like that. Yes, after price took that low, you can see there was a structure shift over here. You can see that is a structure shift. Then price began to aggressively move. All right. So for me, that has already confirmed that we will be targeting something either in the premium, that those levels that we marked in the 4 hours. We are from a discount, and I would like to buy from a discount, targeting something in the premium. Price rallied, leaving imbalances, and I wanted to see the imbalance that would fill. From here, you can see price came to this region, this imbalance down here. Let me highlight it with a blue, with a green box. Price came to that imbalance, tapped on it slightly here. Then we had an aggressive move, confirming it. You can see it had an imbalance. Maybe price would have come to rebalance price, then give us a confirmation. What price did here, price came and mitigated this level. Then we had that aggressive move during the London session. I would now be interested in taking my longs from that region, stop loss slightly below the region, and I target something in the premium there. Easily, you can see that was a great 1:1.9. For sales, I need to show you something for sales. Me now, I would be waiting for that sale. You can see this was because of the news. Price took out buy side liquidity and we aggressively shifted, right? And we had fair value gaps. But for me, for most people, they would have placed their entries here in this fair value gap, and the price came in aggressively. If your stop loss was above here slightly, you would have been stopped out. I only enter after it has confirmed. After it has confirmed. So for me, I would have taken this next entry. You can see it formed a low, a high, a low, another high. All right. Then we formed a low. So this high failed to break that high. That is a failure swing for me. Then this region over here came to mitigate this order block. After that confirmation here, that is when I'd like to take my sell. Right, let me show you. So price came to mitigate this order block over here, bearish order block. That's how I take my entries in the 5 minutes. We had something in the premium, that is 4-hour premium here. Then now in the 5 minutes, my entry, you can see after mitigating this would have been my confirmation. That aggressive drop, I take my short entry over there. After the closure of that candle, stop loss above the region, that is a 13 pip stop loss. And what could I have been targeting? You can see now that would have been my major entry, but we don't know if it will play out like that till Monday. So I took out I closed that trade over here before the market closed, so I just made 11 pips. But let me tell you, 11 pips is not small. If you can get 20 pips in a day in this market, then you're good to go. So that is how easily I do find my day trade setups. You can try it, maybe stick to that strategy every day. Follow this setup. Right, till we meet again, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.